What happens when Crocs and a visionary designer reinvent comfort and somehow make it cool enough for the runway? Most sneakers try to be stylish or comfortable, rarely both. You either get the fashion-forward look that hurts after an hour, or the comfy shoes you never wear outside your house. But what if a sneaker could merge both worlds, combining Crocs' cloud-like comfort with Salehe Bembury's sculptural, nature-inspired design? There's a reason these are selling out fast. The Salehe Bembury Crocs Juniper Sneakers takes Crocs' signature lightweight foam and reimagine it with a wavy organic upper that fits like a second skin. Every curve is ergonomic. Not just for looks, the outsole grips like a trail shoe, the molded body flexes naturally, and the fit feels secure without laces. It's functional art for your feet, whether you're on the street or off the grid. If you've ever wished your sneakers felt as good as your Crocs, this might be your crossover moment. Try them out before they vanish again. Your feet will notice the difference.